car socket set is necessary for tightening, loosening bolts, and performing essential vehicle repairs easily. My today's video is about top 5 best car socket set that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Ironcube car socket set. This 27-piece professional socket set is a well-designed toolkit built for durability, versatility, and everyday mechanical use. Made from chrome vanadium steel with a mirror chrome finish, each socket is heat-treated for strength and long-term performance. The black oxide coating helps resist rust, while the strong grip design ensures reliable torque transfer during use. The set includes a wide range of SAE and metric sockets, along with a 2-in-1 stubby adjustable wrench and extension bar, making it suitable for various repair tasks. Additionally, the bonus 20-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver set adds excellent value, offering multiple bit types for different fastening needs, ideal for automotive repair, home improvement, machinery maintenance, and DIY projects. This kit is suitable for both professionals and beginners. The clear storage case keeps everything organized with fixed positions, making tools easy to find and carry. Overall, this is a complete, durable, and highly practical socket set for any toolbox. Now our second product is Reniteco car socket set. This socket set offers strong durability and reliable performance, making it a great choice for both professionals and DIY users. Crafted from high-grade chrome vanadium steel with heat treatment, it delivers excellent strength and can handle high torque without deformation. The phosphate coating adds solid corrosion resistance, helping protect against rust even with regular use. The 6-point design ensures a secure fit on bolts, reducing wear and improving safety during tightening or loosening tasks. The added retention hole helps keep sockets firmly attached, preventing accidental drops during work. Clear dual laser markings make size identification quick and easy, even in low-light conditions. The set also includes a sturdy blow-molded case with secure locking features, keeping every socket organized and preventing loss. Everything fits neatly in its designated slot for easy storage and transport. Backed by ANSI standards and a 5-year warranty, this socket set provides long-term reliability, convenience, and peace of mind for any repair or maintenance task. Our third product is Llndei car socket set. This Llndei 1/4 socket set is a compact yet highly practical toolkit designed for everyday mechanical and DIY tasks. It includes a wide range of metric sockets, 30 bits, a 72-teeth ratchet handle, extension bar, universal joint, adapter, spinner handle, and a sturdy storage case, making it a complete solution for small repair jobs. Built from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel with a black phosphate finish, the sockets offer strong durability and reliable corrosion resistance. The included S2 alloy steel bits provide excellent hardness for long-term use. The 6-point socket design improves grip on fasteners, reducing the risk of rounding and ensuring secure torque application. Clear, high-contrast markings make size identification quick and easy, even in low-light conditions, improving work efficiency. The compact blow-molded case keeps everything organized and easy to carry or store, making it ideal for home use or travel. Overall, this is a reliable, durable, and space-saving socket set backed by solid performance standards and warranty support. Now number 4, Dekopro car socket set. This complete tool set is a well-built and versatile kit designed for home repairs, workshops, and professional use. Forged from high-quality steel with a high-polish chrome finish, the tools offer strong durability, corrosion resistance, and reliable long-term performance. Meeting or exceeding ANSI standards adds extra confidence in overall quality. The set includes a wide variety of essential tools such as wrenches, ratchets, 1/4 and 3/8 sockets, screwdriver bits, pliers, hammer, tape measure, and more, making it suitable for most small repairs and DIY tasks. The 72-tooth ratchet with a quick 5-degree switch provides smooth and precise operation, while the soft grip handles improve comfort and control during use. Everything is neatly organized in a sturdy blow-molded case that makes storage and transport easy. The case design is durable, dirt-resistant, and keeps all tools securely in place. Overall, this is a comprehensive, practical, and reliable toolkit ideal for homeowners, mechanics, and DIY enthusiasts. And our last choice is Llndei car socket set. This Llndei 3/8 impact socket set is a comprehensive and heavy-duty toolkit designed for both professional and home use. Made from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, it delivers excellent strength, durability, and resistance to wear, making it suitable for demanding mechanical tasks. The set includes a wide range of metric and SAE deep and shallow sockets, along with extensions, adapters, a U-joint, ratchet handle, and multiple accessories, ensuring compatibility with almost any job requirement. The 6-point hex design helps prevent rounding of fasteners, especially under high torque, improving safety and efficiency during use. Laser-etched markings on each socket make size identification quick and easy, even in low-light conditions. The 72-tooth quick-release ratchet provides smooth operation and better control in tight spaces. Everything is neatly organized in a durable storage case for easy transport and storage. Overall, this is a complete, reliable, and professional-grade socket set built for versatility and long-term performance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.